CreditWise by Capital One Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a reliable way to monitor your credit score and improve your financial health, CreditWise by Capital One might have caught your attention. This free tool, designed for anyone regardless of whether you're a Capital One customer, provides you with access to your Vantage Score 3.0, powered by TransUnion, and key credit report insights. One of its standout features is the real-time alerts for any changes in your credit report, like new accounts, hard inquiries, or updates to your personal information, helping you spot potential fraud early. The app also offers a credit simulator, which lets you test how financial decisions, like taking out a loan or paying off debt, might impact your credit score. CreditWise is perfect for individuals who are just starting to build their credit, or for those who want to keep tabs on their score without paying for a premium service. The platform is easy to use and available on both mobile and desktop, making it accessible wherever you are. Plus, since it doesn't require a hard pull on your credit report, using it won't negatively affect your score. This makes it a low-risk, high-reward tool for anyone concerned about their financial health. However, it's important to note that CreditWise uses the Vantage Score model, which might differ slightly from the FICO score most lenders rely on. While the insights and trends it provides are valuable, you should treat the score it shows as an estimate rather than a definitive number. Also, while CreditWise excels in credit monitoring, it doesn't offer budgeting tools or personalized financial advice like some competitors. If you're looking for a more comprehensive financial management tool, you might need to pair it with other apps. In conclusion, CreditWise by Capital One is a solid option for anyone looking to monitor their credit for free, offering great features like real-time alerts, a credit score simulator, and insights into your report. While it may not cover every aspect of financial management, it does what it promises effectively and at no cost. If staying on top of your credit score is your goal, CreditWise is definitely worth a try. Just keep its limitations in mind and supplement it with other tools if needed.